up YouTube? So natanggal na nating yung pinaka ring cap ng fuel pump. And then ang next na gagawin natin ngayon is gumawa tayo ng ito, yung kanyang linyada. Ito yung suction line niya. Yung kasalukuyan natin ginagamit yung kanyang copper pipe. Ito parang guide lang ito. Guide ito para maipasok natin doon sa loob ng kanyang tangke yung kanyang suction hose, no? So like I said, ginawa natin ito dahil yung fuel masyadong contaminated po ng nasubrahan paglagay ng additive, no? Fuel additive. Nalagyan po ito ng fuel additive masyado dahil sa kakaisip na matanggal yung kanyang yung sa kanyang DFF problem. So and the result was if you put too much additive, no, that will brings no good to the fuel system, as well as it will mag-cause ito ng backfire, and then up and down yung kanyang RPM gauge, mag up and down. Isa din tong problema yung kanyang sa fuel system, kasi hindi impurities, no, may impurities yung kanyang fuel system dahil nga contaminated or na overdose sa additives. So hindi na proportion yung or balance yung kanyang fuel system. So ang gagawin natin is suction natin buong fuel lines, buong fuel dyan sa tanke na natira. And then gumagamit tayo ng battery, of course, and then fuel suction pump, of course. And then let's see if we can do it successfully here. So meron tayong jerrycan here. And then para mag-stable yung kanyang pipe niya dito na ilalagay natin, nilagyan natin ng vice grip para mag-stable siya. So and then ikukonekta na natin to. So black is negative, okay, and then red is positive. So sa battery, guys, ma-determine niyo kung maski wala itong signs, ma-determine niyo kung whether or not positive or negative post ang nyo, because the negative post, like you see, is always the small one. Small one is the negative. Even if without the signs here, like this one here, positive and negative, kung wala ito, you can still determine the positive and the negative post because of the diameter, no, or the circumference of the post. Like this one, positive here is bigger and the negative is smaller, no? So okay, let's go, and we gonna start up. We'll see if we can suction. Yeah, it's delivering now. See the color of the fuel. It's like a brownish color, and that's no good, guys. If you have like that fuel, that's no good, and that will not good during the combustion firing, no. It will just kind of making misfire because the impurities of the fuel or the diesel impurities, no. So hindi siya pure na diesel talaga, may halo siya additive. So ang additive is no good, as you can see. Parang kalawang na rin tong kulay ng So kuha tayo ng ilawan natin para makita natin yung ilalim. So ilawan natin sa loob. Yan yung nangyayari sa loob. That's too much guys, too much what it is, too much fuel additives. Like I said, if you put too much additives, fuel additives, the result will be that one. It turned out to be like kalawal na yung resulta. So isasaksyon natin yan lahat. Susunod See? Paubos na yung fuel niya sa kanyang base line. O sa kanyang bisin sa fuel pump. Yung bisin niya, tinakirada muna natin. And then pagka mapuno na ito, papalitan natin uli. At ito, isasalang natin doon sa ating van. Yung van natin ay kumakain ng mga impurities na fuel yan. Walang pili yung van na yan. So namangha ako sa van na yan. Bilib-bilib na ako na van na yan. Kahit anong klaseng fuel pa ilalagay mo dyan, talagang it performs like goodness. But other brand, they are very selective, no? Like very delicate. Masyadong maarte yung other brand na car, but this one here, yung van natin, talagang hindi namimili ng fuel. Whether or not may halo or mayroong halo, kakayanin niyang tutubusin niya lahat. So yan guys, so paubos na yung dito, as you can see, paubos na yung sa pinaka-base niya. Lilipat natin. Hindi natin kailangan iangat yung fuel pump dahil there's no need to angat the fuel pump kasi ang pakay lang naman natin dito is uubusin lang natin tong kanyang diesel na naka-imbak dito sa may tangke niya, pinakailalim ng tangke. And din papalitan din natin to. So pagkatapos nito, ang ating titiradahin uli ay yung kanyang fuel filter. Papalitan na din yung fuel filter. Huwag kayong maglagay ng too much fuel additive guys, otherwise ang resulta niyo is ganito na din. So too much fuel additive na ilalagay ninyo sa tangke, no good din ito, no? Magmi-misfire po yung anyong sasakyan. Like yung misfire, yung kanyang RPM sa diesel, mahirap punahin yung misfire sa diesel. Malalaman nyo lang kapag mag-misfire kasi yung kanyang RPM gauge taas baba kunti. So that means that's how to determine the misfire of the diesel engine. Unlike the gasoline is very simple to troubleshoot misfire on the gasoline. But diesel is not really simple as that is. Okay, so sinasaksyon natin ito. Malapit na maubos ito. As you can see, yung kulay niya is kulay kalawang po. So please be careful on adding fuel additives on your diesel car, because fuel additive, pagka nalagyan nyo ng too much fuel additive, it doesn't bring no good as well, no? So that will cause abnormalities of the system, like as I said, magkaroon siya ng misfire po, and then ang pagka misfire niya is iba po ang diesel. Pagka nagmi-misfire siya, magbubuga po ito ng puting usok na akala nyo meron siyang halong coolant, but hindi, no? Ang kulay puti na yon is compressed air po yon. Compressed air na turning to smoke white. That's compressed air. Kasi po nagmi-misfire siya dahil the misfire was the impurities of the diesel fuel. So you can determine in between like white smoke, because that is a compressed air actually, misfire on the diesel engines. So too much additives, no good. So maglagay kayo ng katamtaman lang, huwag too much, dahil too much no good also. So as you can see here, malapit na maubos yung yung sa pinaka basin niya ng ano, fuel dito. So yan po, i-continue na lang natin ito mamaya pagka ano, matapos na ito. But so far so good ang ating nagawa ngayon. Okay, this is how you suction your wrong fuel or contaminated fuel system. Thank you.